An expression of nature. Inspired by falling water, Cascade brings an element of nature into your space and welcomes a new level of sophistication to the Hanex color portfolio. With a unique pattern unlike that of traditional natural stones, Cascade Haze suggests a special and differentiated interior design opportunity. A transparent white tone complemented by a smooth gray base makes Cascade Haze well-suited for a variety of commercial space interiors with beige and gray atmospheres. Introducing a fresh perspective on appreciating the inherent value of this material by reinterpreting the solidity and color palette of the concrete look. This timeless collection suggests a sense of refinement, presenting a space both confident and stylish. The unique atypical chips and tone-on-tone colors create a natural and wild look. Hanex 2024 chip colors are ideal for countertops, shower walls, and commercial interiors. With its highly convenient fabrication and thermoforming capabilities, Hanex provides a vast array of design options, empowering architects, designers, and homeowners to craft spaces that seamlessly integrate functionality with aesthetics. Elevate life with Hanex Solid Surfaces.